Okay, we're hooking up a battery for the first time after 30 plus years. See if anything comes to life. Turn the key. Oh, we got lights. Crank. Nada. Far out, man. It's like the 1970s all over again. Sanyo. Got lights. Tail lights. Okay, jump the starter out. It worked. Now let's see if it cranks up here now. Oh, very good. Let's see if the oil pressure light goes out. Yes, it does. One more time. Oil pressure light out. Oh, very good. Now we got to run a compression test on it. I got the cap off. I got no carb. I got the fuel pump off. We're going to crank it right now and see what kind of compression we got. Go ahead. Keep going. That's good. All right, number one had about 170, which is really pretty good. I was surprised. All right, try number two now. Crank it up. All right, stop. It's a little bit lower. Like 150 on this one. Number two is like 150, a little weak. All right, we're doing number three. Go ahead, crank it. All right. All right, number four. Crank it up. All right. All right, go crank it up. See if we got any spark here. That's surprising. Did absolutely nothing. And it still got spark. All right, we got new plugs, new wires. We got spark from before. We're just going to give it a little crank and give it a little shot of carb cleaner. All right, crank it up. It's smoking. That's a good sign. I gotta get the carb on it and then we'll run it for a while. I got the replacement carb here that I'm gonna throw on, and I have to switch over some linkage. The piece that holds the throttle cable slides nice. Doesn't fit into the new one. I'm gonna pull the arm off, swap them over. This way I'll have the dash pot lever that's missing on here too. A couple of minutes, they both came off. I'm just going to swap them over. I needed to file a little bit of the casting right over here on the carb. I didn't like how close it was sitting to the bracket. So a replacement carb, we'll see how it runs. We got our carb all mounted up. We have a few lines to hook up, and we're ready to run this thing after 30 years. Got our fuel hoses hooked up, fuel filter. It's a little big, but it fits in there. We're running off of a little lawnmower engine tank for now, till we get the gas tank back in and run a new main line through the car. Now we're ready to crank it up. Fill the float bowl. It's a 1974. Emily's going to get the honors of cranking it up after all this time, because she's the only one home. Go ahead. Turn the key. Warm up and run for a while. Smoking because it's rock oil free. It's gonna burn off now. Maybe we oiled this motor up a little bit too much. Still going. Just a real light hazy smoke on it right there. Hopefully I'll dump the oil, get some fresh oil in there again, and should be better. Holy cow, it's the fire department! pressure light goes out really fast on restart, so I know it's got plenty of oil pressure. And after it's been running all this time, smoke cleared up nicely. This motor is in really great shape. Thanks for watching.